This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Renault X61 Kangoo van, stock reference number 3859. This shape runs from the 10th month 2010 and is the current shape. It has a H5FD 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol-turbo engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. H5FD 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo-petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 15-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light, tailgate type. It's got a tidy rear park sensor, rear bumper cover in black, textured type. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, tailgate type. Right rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door also appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror in black. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black center console, automatic type. Automatic gear shifter. Single stack CD player with MP3 and Bluetooth. Heater controls. Interior mirror. Left sun visor. Owner's manual and service book in dealership case. Right hand sun visor. Instrument cluster. And a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.